rub on my bottom today. And they know what I'm do. Hello, welcome back to my channel. I am Dee the Traveler, and I hope you've been liking and subscribing to my videos. Wait, leave a comment. Hold on, let me turn off this real quick. Yeah, I hope you've been liking, subscribing, leaving comments if you can to my videos. I have been uploading some videos on YouTube. Wait. I think I have released the Vietnam vlog, and I really like Vietnam. Was lovely. Enjoyed myself in Hanoi, Hoi An, really lovely places. But while in Hanoi, we went to Halong Bay. Right, I don't know why I keep on saying we, but I went to Halong Bay and I experienced some amount of racism there. Like, not racism, is it racism? It was weird. Like, when you travel around Asia as a black person, like, people like taking photos with you, and I get that. Sometimes I've never seen black people before, but my issue is, like, you ask if I want to take the photo. Like, ask if you can take the photo with me. Don't just come and push yourself on me, grab me, pull my hair, throw your arms around me. Like, ask permission. So while I was in Vietnam, and I was talking about it in the video, and I'm going to just put that clip in right now. Watch the video. Tell me what you would have done if it was you. Like, the fact that they continue to take pictures and videos even though I told them to stop. I know I'm not okay with it. Tell me, what would you do? Have you ever experienced that before? Leave some comments, subscribe, let me know what you do. At the end of the video, I think I'm just gonna end the video with a clip in. That I didn't want it to ruin my trip, but that really rubbed me the wrong way. Anyways, like, share, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you in the next vlog. I think it more than likely will be a travel vlog, but I'll see you then. Bye.
You see me sit down. You just come here, poke your phone on my face. Like, are you for real? Be for real. Be for real. The lady come and she push her phone on my face. Push her phone on my face and then turn on her camera. Like, you serious? And then when me tell her no, our friend go in front of me and try to take my picture. That's not cool. That's ridiculous. Look at, it's like black people not there China or not part of China. That is ridiculous right about now.
I wish me never plan to come rant or nothing like that, but like, why you don't do that? Like, and it happens ever so often. The only thing about what I think, is that you're not going to see a black person running up to any other race and ask to take them picture. No, that man you want to consider in the back of the video. In the comfortable over one side, and you want to consider in the back of the video. Wow. In the comfortable over one part, brush off the seat over one part. And then just decide to consider right away, so. And I look in at phone, I look over there, so. Wow. Me never get it. I will never understand. And it's the fact that people say, the black race inferior. But some things would I never do. Like, would I never, ever get up and push your phone in somebody's face? Or get up, you know much Chinese or rub on my bottom. I'm sorry, that loud. You know much Chinese rub on my bottom today? And they know what I'm do. Space did it for walk. And it's still what me say. One of them rub on me. I'm turn around. I'm ready. I'm up walk gone. I'm gonna say, Jano. You know, I go see one black. I used to thinking about it, women and men from other races. You don't never see one black woman just run up on one Chinese and rub on her bottom. Cause that's weird. That's very weird. That's very, very weird. Why do you do it? It might be like they see bottom before. It is crazy to me what some people do. And when you travel, you experience it. Anyways, me not done my storage space, nor my batch pan this. The one over here start trying to chat to what me I try to say.
You know, so sometimes I struggle to talk Creole, like complete sentence in a Creole. Like sometimes I try code switch, sometimes I try code switch, and boy, it fail. But you know, sometimes I talk fast enough, then probably not get trying to eat. Yeah, I try to eat proper so. Big space there for people to sit down, and you want to go each other beside me. Wow, I like my little spectacle. God, people are hilarious. Wow, a couple of days in Hanoi went by really quickly. Hanoi is beautiful. It's a mixture. Like the housing structure here is so different. Anyways, I'm gonna just jump in and start talking. So it's my last day, last couple of hours in Hanoi. I'm leaving to go to Hoi An, Vietnam, because you're in Vietnam. I know why I'm just doing purpose to that. But we're leaving here to go to Hoi An. Crazy enough, I've been here for 4 days, I think. It's been gloomy every day. On the last day, the sun is peeking out. The sun is actually peeking out. Yeah, it kind of reminds me of South Korea. Every day, rain, cloudy, gloomy. The last day, sun, I come out. I be like, wow. So I'm gonna have strength for. Cool. Celeste. So it's my last couple hours here in Hanoi. The food was a bit good. What I can say, they eat a lot of vegetables here. Like they eat a lot of veggies. Like every meal stuck with veggies. I had dinner last night at a really nice restaurant, and I had pineapple fried rice. It had in shrimp, squid, and you know they mix the they do the fried rice and then they put it in the pineapple. They pour it into a pineapple. They peel out the pineapple, of course, and then they leave the carving and put the rice in it. Yummy, very yummy, very yummy. And that was good. That was pretty good. That was my best meal, I would say, I had here. I did a street food tour, and I got sick. Yeah, so I'm very skeptic. I was very skeptic after that because I got sick, and I was like, yo, I'm not really sure about the food here. But I've been careful. I went around, I went to the night market and stuff like that. That was cool. But I didn't buy anything else. I plan to buy it in Hoi An. So you have to see the videos. Check out the videos. A lot of time I'm not really talking in it because I'm out in the public and stuff like that. And I'm a bit new, a bit scared, a bit shy. But watch the video and see. And tell me what you like. How can I improve? I really love the punch here. You know, I have to come with me in Jamaica. Yeah, my punch have to come. But we're going to Hoi An today. I'm a bit excited. The hotel looks really cute. The only thing we have a problem with are the drainage system in Asia. Outside of Japan, like the drainage system, the bathroom them tend to be stink. One, because of the drainage system. And when you bathe, the water now flow down the drain quickly, swiftly. It's like it's a settle. I'm gonna like that. Settle. For those who don't understand what I say that. Settle. I'm gonna really like that. Anyways, let me know all the lighting I'm gonna step on a bit here. But I hope it look good. I'm trying to get used to the camera. I'm trying to get used to using my gimbal because it stabilizes the video instead of just using my phone. But sometimes I get so shy when I have the gimbal out and everybody look at me. Anyways, I'm not sure how I'm going to organize this video, but if I put the clippings after me talking right here about Hanoi, I hope you enjoy it. I stayed at a beautiful hotel. The receptionist staff were amazing. The room I got a VIP, the top room in the hotel. They upgrade me for free. I think it's because they see me with all my tripod and stuff. But they upgrade me for free, and I love that. But they gave me a free upgrade. I'm gonna love that. The room big and pretty. Wish I was staying longer. Maybe another day so I could enjoy the room a little bit more. But the room is beautiful. The only thing is about the water and the settling in the shower, the slowness of the drain. But they said they're working on it, so hopefully in the future it's better for other people. Beautiful hotel, central location, perfect location. Cost is very effective. Very budget friendly for the size. Great space, big comfortable bed. And as I said, location is fantastic if you want to see around Hanoi. Yeah, and the cost is great. The breakfast is pretty good. For the egg part, like if you want egg pancake, they do it done to order, so that is fantastic. Instead of you eat cold egg, cold pancake. Cold egg, cold pancakes, for those who don't understand when I speak Creole. Anyways, I forgot now. I have to go. I hope you enjoy the clippings and the videos, and see you in Hoi An. Bye. I'm having an Oreo ice cream, and it actually tastes really, really good. What I'm saying, wow, it's my last day in Hoi An. It was really good here. You see a different level of peace and tranquility. You know, we are among nature, as you can see. Banana leaves, banana tree and all of that, fruit trees and all of that. But what I really admire was last night, was Friday night. The kids out in the streets, I play badminton, soccer, and nobody not trouble them till like after 10 they're about. Nobody not trouble them. They just enjoy them life, enjoy them youthfulness, and nobody not trouble them. And I wish Jamaica was like that. Anyways, I love this here. It was fun. I wish I spent more time here. If you're going to make shoes and clothes, spend an extra day. Take an extra. If you budget for 3 days, put 4 days, because you're gonna need some time. The shoes look lovely. My mommy love her shoes. I'm doing a shoes for my brother because it's a dad now, so I'm getting my dad sandals, an official dad sandals. That's a joke right there. My mom love her shoes. I love mine. It's cute, it's well made, but I think the colors, I could have changed the colors a little. Here, Coca-Cola. It's been good here, really good. What me do I talk about the shoes there? Because it's hand stitched, so I got some shoes done here. One for my mother, one for myself. I'm doing one for my brother. So mine and my mother's, our shoes are hand stitched. So it takes some time. First, they glue it so you can test it and feel if it's okay, if the sizing is okay, if the pattern is okay, if the design is okay. And then after you confirm, they go back and then they hand stitch it, right? And that takes some time. So today I fly out and they need some time to hand stitch them, and they're doing one for my brother as well. But you know, I don't want like 2 pair of shoes, but you know, I have to test it out first and see if it's okay. And I would take 2 pairs. It's just that I don't have enough time to hand stitch 2 more for me. One for me and one more for me, one more for my mother. So we have to go with 1 for me, 1 for my mother, 1 for my brother. For one of my brothers. Yeah. I actually really, you probably can't see my eyes and stuff, but I actually really like it here. It's pretty good. I'm not too close to the city, so walk to the city, 20 minutes walk. I'm gonna walk a lot to Japan, so that is perfectly fine. Bomba, that's a long lizard. Mish. That's a big ass lizard. What am one the name? The brown one, big brown one, and they kind of like snake-ish. Now may I look around if none up here, so. Anyways, so we're like 20 minutes from the city, and it's a good, nice little stroll. I get to see people in them natural habitat. Beautiful little stroll. I like it. Keep my body active and well. My kind of low tension because I know my last day. I'm just take time and ease my way into going through the airport hassle. I'm going up to the pool, so let's try that on our last day before we leave. I'm finishing up my ice cream, going to the pool. Yeah.